how you finish it. The team they put together, boys.
Willie Mason does 80, doesn't he?
Willie Mason does 80 with his jaw. If that doesn't fire us up, I don't know what will.
Matchfit League Legends, Wednesday 7:30 on 3 and 3 Now.
Did you want me to, like, move back? Or...
So because the drains haven't been cleared out by the council as per what we pay our rates for, or part of it, the street is now flooded even worse than it was last time this happened. It's actually on the grass on our side of the road, and it's coming up over the top of the driveway. The guy behind has already spotted it and has already called round to my place about 20 minutes ago. I didn't even notice him. It was raining so hard. At least some of these clowns are slowing down. That water's actually knee deep just around the corner of the bush where you can't see it. Yeah, I should be popping out any minute now. Oh, look at that, right on schedule. Dressed for the occasion. No point in wet weather gear, gonna get wet anyway, so just get on and do it. Yeah. Anyway, there you go.